The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
And very good Monday morning, fellas. It is October 25th. We're almost out of October, guys. Still waiting on this. Good morning, fellas. All of you guys, good morning. Still waiting on the Christmas rally. Guys, good morning, good morning. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope your teams won Saturday and Sunday. Mine did, so I'm in a great mood. Titans are tough. Good morning, Hubba Hubba. Titans are tough. Although Kansas City is not the same Kansas City they've been. Guys, in any event, good morning. If you guys are here on trial, we do have some trials this week. Good morning and welcome to the room. I have sent you guys an overview on the room. We have had 2 bot trades this morning. We had a long on the NASDAQ at 612. First target only. We had a long again on the NASDAQ at 739. First and second targets are hit. And we have a runner. You couldn't pay me to watch Penn State play. No. They still play Vince Lombardi football. 3 yards in a cloud of dust. No. Boring team, boring colors, boring school. I did see that Illinois beat them. I did see that. But Notre Dame beat USC, and then the Colts beat San Francisco last night. So, and of course, Tennessee crushed Kansas City. In any event, guys, good morning. We're here. Big week for us. Big week. We have no news today. Nothing of any interest. We have Facebook today. Be interesting to see what we'll be in the after. For those of us that are in the afternoon session, we'll be there for Facebook earnings after the close, and be interesting to see if their advertising revenue goes the way that Snap went. But this week is a big week, guys. Facebook today, tomorrow AMD, Beyond, Microsoft tomorrow, Google tomorrow, Twitter tomorrow. Ooh, going to be a good day tomorrow after the close. We're going to have a good afternoon tomorrow. And then on Wednesday, eBay is interesting. Xilinx don't care about, most of these don't care about eBay. And then Thursday, Amazon, Starbucks. It's going to be a good week, guys. Hey, Randy and Sue are back in the room. Good morning. Good to see you guys. Let's see what we've got going on here, fellas. Let me find order flow. See what we've got. NASDAQ. Just under normal volume, 62,000. We're about, right about there. 1,500 buyers currently on NASDAQ. The ES way low on volume. 117,000, very low. 2,170 net sellers. Looks like we could get a push lower. Pretty close to the day high up here, but looks like we could get a push lower. We do have an unfinished auction at 33.75 to trade toward. That's on ES. 45.33. I may have said 43, but 45.33.75. Gold up near the day highs, 1,300 net buyers, decent volume in gold. Crude up, last I looked, about 90 cents, probably up more now. Big volume, 2,600 buyers, $85, 5 ticks away. Brandon's doing a great job. YM, small buyers, light volume. Natural gas up about 5% on the session. Interesting, with selling pressure. Guys, we are trading. If you trade natural gas, we've rolled to December on natural gas. Copper's getting a bid. I like copper back to this unfinished auction and VWAP 53.80. And Russell, I don't even know why I'd look at order flow. Small sellers overnight. Copper's an interesting long. Got to get through this swing at 53.30, and you have a target at 80. NASDAQ just put in a new morning high, new session high. Gold is going. Watch silver as well if you trade silver. Gold is bid. We take a look at gold. Gold is headed to 1811. Gold is headed to 1811. See if we can't find a place to get in on gold. We have no news, but 1811. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, and we begin the week anew. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Hey, Mimi, good morning. Let's see. That gold went right to the voodoo line Friday and retraced when Powell came out. Yeah, difference this morning. We bounced off the 200. Yep, watching weekly up above 1815.50. Thank you. Remind me if we get there, if you would. Grazie. Taking a look at futures, NASDAQ up 44, ES up 6, YM up 15. Russell is the weak link, down 2.5. Gold is up $7.50. Oats green, copper green, silver green, crude green, gas green. Coffee's down a little bit today. Apple's off 22 cents. Facebook off $1.66 currently. Tesla's up another $39. They got another upgrade to $1,200. Netflix red, mixed bag. Nvidia's green, Baidu's down small. The DWAC up 750. I actually traded that on Friday. I put it in member Skype. Let's see here. Not much. Morning, James. If you guys are joining late, we have had 2 bot trades so far, both on the NASDAQ. Bot's up about $650 at this point. Still has a runner on, 1 contract left. The auto trail is just above break even. So we'll leave that on. We have no news today. We do have Facebook earnings at the close. And for those of us that are in the afternoon session, we will be there to catch Facebook. Let's see where gold might want to come. Maybe 02, even a little low, 015, that area. If that area holds, we can take gold long. Okay, Deepak, I'll check. I haven't looked. I'll look. Anyone that took the ES trade, you should have gotten first target at 48. Looks like it went 48 to the tick. Thank you, Peter. Yeah, I'm not a. I mean, I'll watch gold. NASDAQ could back off here. You know, if it weren't the open, I would say 87, 88 would be support. We could come down to 63. I doubt it. All right. Bot trades are going to be few. Everything's in longs. Gold still breaking up. Crude turning over a bit. NASDAQ going to push to 18 is what it's trying to do. It's got to get through about 410. Support is 92. Russell took off. Indices are all longs, guys, right now. YM hit that target I gave you guys. Next target up for YM is 750. Gold broke out its opening range high at 054, 055. Gold's going to 11. 11. Get some dang pullbacks here. 28 next level on NASDAQ if you're long. Looks like we're going to 45. 3,000 net buyers. Maybe a pullback to 13 might be all we get. 28's the next target if you're long NASDAQ, 28 half. There it is, 28 half, 31 next. There's 31. 446 next target. 445, 446. All right, YM. Let's see, YM. Support here on YM, 43. See what YM does. 43. It's trying to hold. It held. ES also pulled back off that 48 target. Russell, straight bid. Russell's target is 302. If you guys want a Russell long, 302. YM probably down to 29. 43 held for a bounce. Oh, 05 looks like support now on NASDAQ. Right there, yep. Hit 5.5. Sellers in NASDAQ now. Let's see if we come back to VWAP. Wow. $800 sellers right now in this candle. Current 3-minute candle. $64 should bounce it. And then below that, 59. I would think that area. You've got your candle closed below VWAP. You have a short below VWAP. 59 is target 1. Target 1 was hit. Now 59 quarter. You dog. 1 tick. Should get, there it is. 59 target hit if you got the short. NASDAQ selling them all back. Suck the longs in, they're selling them all. Break of that swing at 54.50. We could work down to next level is 50. 50 if you're short on this candle close below VWAP. 50. $50 is hit. There's Friday's close at 340. Selling is not slowed down. $284, huh? Is that what you think? Think we're going to yesterday's or Friday's low? 273 is Friday's low. You guys short? Okay, Marco. Anybody else short? Guys, I'm trying to give you the entries. Still short, fellas. Still short NASDAQ. Still short NASDAQ. Okay. Now we want to get 13. Nice job, Peter. Nice job, guys. Gold, bid. Let's see what else we've got here. Crude. Natural gas is still bid. Crude is going to short probably back to 84.50. 84.50. Okay, Marco. It's got the bounce off blue at 23. All right, guys. We could bounce back to 378. You got a long to 378 from 50. You have a target at 378. Come on, NASDAQ. Buying 600 back. $650 back. Target at 378 on NASDAQ. 378. Come on, pump it up. Let's go, Nas. There we go. We have a bot trade on crude. Target on NASDAQ 378. We got to 362. Anybody take the copper long trade? Target is hit. First target is hit. Now it needs to climb through VWAP. ES still trying to push. Russell, did we get 05? No, within about 4 ticks. There was my 78. Anybody get 78 long on NASDAQ? 77 half. Anybody take 78? Okay, Jacques. Target number 1 is 92. 92. Okay, Tony. Come on, NASDAQ, push. God, we got slow already. I'm not sure RTY got target. I mean, it was a nice trade, but 4 ticks from target, 3-4 ticks from target. Come on, crude. You hit target twice. All right, target number 1 is off on NASDAQ at 92 from 78. Target number 1 is off. You guys can put your stop at break even if you'd like and try to trade it to 420. But we're struggling in here. Opening range high on NASDAQ. This looks like 34. All right, there's target on the long on crude. Thanks, Rich. I'll do it in my spare time. See you tomorrow. In 12 seconds. Geez, 3 trades in one day. What the heck? Trade number 3. Slow down to a dull roar here, fellas. Apple's down 60 cents. Facebook, which reports today, is flat, up 14 cents. Tesla up 46 bucks. Nvidia up $1. Moderna's up 6. Square's up 5. Pretty much flat. Nice job, John. Oh, you're welcome. See you this afternoon. We're just dinking around here, guys, in a small area, not doing anything. YM's flat. Yes, flat. God, this is summer trading. Russell's pushing again. Gold, if it breaks above what was my target at 11, gold can work up to 29. 29. Got to get past, I think Mimi said 15 and change. $15.50. Okay. That's daily breakout. Yeah, from Friday, weekly. That was Friday's high, is what it looks like. Crude 85.78 target. I'll take 18.27. RTY hit. Thank you, Basker. Basker, did you hold it to 15? I mean to 05? Nice hold. Let me look at YM. It's making another push. I'm going to take a YM long, guys. I'm going to try YM long. I'm going to buy 97, 98. Who the heck I am. God dang it. By the time I set my Dama, it was up 10 ticks. All right, I'm going to try it in here. I bought YM, guys. You can see it on the screen. I bought 2. I'll take target 1 at 23. Come on, push. Got to push above 11. Come on, YM. Let's go. Come on. Pop it here. Pop it here. You got to get above the day high, obviously, for me to get 23. So if you guys want to, trade them as you see fit. And there it goes, typical YM. Faltered. Come on, YM, push. Next candle in minute, 30 seconds on a 10-minute. NASDAQ just hanging out. A lot of buyers, 2,600 buyers, just not going anywhere. YM. NASDAQ, what do you want? 2,600. Look at the NASDAQ. I'm going to take a NASDAQ long, guys. Meanwhile, YM is doing nothing. I'm going to buy NASDAQ. Hang on. All right, I bought two NASDAQ. So I have two NASDAQ on, two YM on. Target one on NASDAQ is going to be 18. NASDAQ got target one on this bot. Come on, NASDAQ, give me 18. Come on. Come on. Jesus, I just can't get targets. I'm going to add two on the YM right here. I have four on. Nope, three. I have four on in the YM. These are live trades, guys, just FYI. They're live trades. I want to be clear. 4 contracts on the YM does not make it a better trade than one. NASDAQ, God dang you. Got 15.75. I am not getting targets anywhere. Nowhere. What's my cost here? 85. Yeah, NASDAQ should have gone to 18. I mean, this is just a grind day. Stupid grind day. That's all it is. I'm so damn used to getting my targets that I didn't take anything off here, and I still think this goes up. YM, if I can get, 10 ticks on 4, I'll probably kill it. I'm looking to kill it anyways. It just doesn't, it wants to come down further. One of those days, fellas. All right. I'm out of the YM. And I'm out of the NASDAQ. I'm out, guys. Out. We got first target on NASDAQ, first target on crude, going to be out on the runner here on crude. We do have support here on the NASDAQ, out on the crude bot. Small sellers. NASDAQ can now come back to 79. 79. No, I still think NASDAQ's long. I think you just have to hold it. The stop I have right now is 66. I don't have shorts. How could you? We can't have shorts with 2,600 buyers, fellas. It's just not got any gas in it. There's no volatility. It grinds up, pulls back, grinds up, pulls back. Here it goes again. It's a hold. It's just a straight hold. It's like it's going back eventually to 45. You can take it long anywhere, but your stop is still 66, best I have. You could try a stop at 76. And here it goes. It's going to 18. It's going to get that target. Piece of work, man. Piece of work. We're going up. We're going back to 33. 10:30, I'll check volume. $2,800 net buyers. 2,800. And we're not going anywhere. But it's not short. We're going to grind back up from here to 33. Here comes my 18. I'm trying to find a place to get in, fellas. I mean, it's just such a lack of volatility. Let's see here. Break of 45 on what? I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, ES, I'm sure. Let me look at ES. And we didn't get above 45. And we got 45 quarter. I still like YM longs. Nice job, Rick. You said above 45, Mimi? Doesn't want to break 45. I'm watching it. It's just floating. NASDAQ's trying to break up as well, guys. Right here. There it is. There's my damn 18 target. You are a dirty devil. NASDAQ's going to 33. Guys, I'm just going to go get coffee. I'll be right back. It's a slow day for you, Ed. But nice. You're still up 3.8%. You made money. You cannot get my order flow to show up on yours, Jennifer. You would have to have my order flow. But Ninja 8, if you have a lifetime license, has an order flow. It's not the same. See you this afternoon, Paul. Guys, anybody that is interested in learning to trade order flow, I will be doing my next class in January. So if you guys, are desirous to actually learn to trade order flow, wait until January. Copper's got a nice bid. This is a big move in copper. I gave that trade earlier. to VWAP, and now it's blowing up above. No, it's during the day. I usually do it at noon, 12 Eastern. Sessions are recorded and sent to everybody. I do it live. I mean, it's live, but I record the session. All right, fellas, it's 11 o'clock. Let me go over the bot trades. Let's start with the ES. ES took one trade today. One trade on the ES. That's done for the day. You're welcome, James. I'll see you at 1 o'clock, James. NASDAQ, which is absolutely surprising. I mean, we could go a whole week and not get, we've gone a whole week and not gotten three trades on the NASDAQ. We had three today. First trade, 612, was a winner. First target only. Second trade was at 739, first and second targets. And then the third trade was at 1012, first target only. Not much volatility in it, but three trades, three winners on NASDAQ. Russell did not take a trade today. Not one trade. Gold also did not take a trade today. Not a trade. And last but not least is crude, which took three trades. First trade here was a loser. Flipped into a long, got first target only. And then we just got a short first and second targets. And your bot total is plus 715 on the bot. 715. That's it. Green is green, but kind of a, yeah. Anybody have any questions, guys? Anything at all? Any questions? All right, fellas. I will see you all tomorrow at 8 a.m. Those of you that are in the afternoon session with me, I will see you in a couple of hours. No one reported being down today. Most of our trades came early. And that's where it ended. We'll see what we get this afternoon. And of course, you as well, Joe. We will see what we get with Facebook earnings today. If they blow earnings or if they, miss on revenue, you can, Deepak. Yep. Just give me about 5 minutes. I will see you guys at 1 o'clock. Those of you that are in the group, I will see the rest of you tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern.